It's 2:30 in the morning. We're headed to the airport. This is my outfit. Princess Polly. Air Force Ones. I'm so tired. I like half slept, but I can sleep on the plane. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. See ya in the Dominican. It's to Miami. Woo! Good morning! It's day one. We got up this morning and had breakfast. They are gonna bring us breakfast every morning. It's amazing. Like, I'll videotape it tomorrow morning, but they bring like a whole spread. It's amazing. I wanna show you guys my outfit, and then I'm gonna give you guys a little house tour, and then we're gonna go find where we're gonna like post up for the day. So, this is Ryan and I's room, but obviously I've already destroyed the bathroom. But this is my outfit. My swimsuit top is from Nasty Gal, and then, or no, I think this is Misguided, and then this is Nasty Gal, and then my beach bag is Target, and then my sunglasses are, I want to say Nasty Gal, but I'll find them, or I'll find somebody in particular and link them below. And then I'm just wearing these slides from Zara, and then I put like little braids in my hair. But yeah, and then for makeup today, all I did was put on some of this Elta MD tinted sunscreen, and then a little bit of this Merit blush. So that's getting the job done. Basically, you walk into our room right here, and we have a TV, and this is our bed. We just kind of like pulled it up today. And then out of our room, ooh, pop some champagne, I heard it. There's the balcony that goes over to our pool, and then it's just like the toilet in there and a little closet. And then this is the main living area, and then outside, I'll go out there in a second, but then up these stairs, both sides go up to the second level, and then there's 2 rooms up there. And then kitchen, 2 bedrooms, Mary and Ryan. And for the backyard, it's freaking amazing. Little area. And this is where we had breakfast this morning. And then here is our private pool back here. And we have 2 little cabanas. And then there's also 2 bedrooms downstairs, but it's like the same deal, so I'm not gonna go down there. Then we also have 2 golf carts, which is really cool because it takes us to there's a bunch of beaches on the property. And so it takes us all over there and like different restaurants and stuff. So yeah, that's today's situation. We're gonna make some drinks right now, and then we have like dinner reservations every night. And so yeah, I'm super excited. I will talk to you guys in a little bit. I kind of think I'm feeling the bucket hat today. I think I'm gonna wear this to the beach.
Go straight.
Go, go, go. What?
What? That's just foam.
Wait.
There's actually a little bit here.
Wait, but before that, you actually finished?
Yes. He finished 90% of it.
What? Last one standing. Good morning. Day 2. It's my little outfit. This bikini from Urban, and these pants are from Zara. The boys went golfing this morning, and then we're about to go book an excursion, and then we're gonna go down to the beach, and then I don't know, we're gonna go out to eat for dinner tonight. So I'm excited to get like beach cute. I need chapstick. Yeah, it's just like we're day 3, and I feel like we're finally like getting our groove, or places we want to post up at the beach. We ordered pizza last night, and we're like finding the good spots to get drinks because it's all inclusive. So there's one bar where you go and you get like, they give you the top shelf stuff. Like they put Grey Goose and our Bloody Marys, and so we're like, gracias. So we go there, and we also brought like our Yeti cups. And so we're like, can we get dos? And then we pour them in our Yetis and take them to the beach. So it's great because the beach has like pina coladas and all the good stuff too, but this one's just like next level. So we take our little golf cart over there, get our drinks, go. It's a good time. But I'm trying to find Mary had this really cute trucker hat. I can't find it. I really want to wear it with this outfit. But anyways, see you at the beach. Good morning. It is, what even is today? Tuesday. And I finished you guys my outfit per usual. Like literally the most flattering swimsuit I think I've ever owned. It's from Misguided. And then I'm just wearing this oversized button down from Nasty Gal. And then my Amazon cowboy hat. So yeah, everyone's at the pool right now, and we were just kind of like taking it slow. And we just had breakfast, and then we're gonna go over to the pool. We kind of have like our cabana situation sorted out. So that's the deal, and it's Mary's birthday today. And so her and Sean, Mary's my sister, and they went to go do an excursion where they jump off waterfalls. And so they're gonna scope it out and see if it's good, because they wanted to have like a date, kind of date day. So if that's good, then we're gonna go in the next couple of days, because that sounds so fun. And then we also have massages tomorrow. So lots of fun things going on. We're gonna go to dinner for Mary's birthday tonight, but I'm gonna go out to the pool, and I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Dinner outfit, OOTD. So we got dress from Zara. It's super cute. They was in the back. Then we did a little bubble pony. And then my shoes are awesome too. They're from Ego, but they look like Bottega. So yeah. So tonight's Mary's birthday, and we are gonna go to dinner. What was that? Zoomed in? No. Okay. But yeah, and then we're just gonna do what we've been doing. It's kind of crazy, like a week-long beach vacation. I'm realizing we have 3 more days. Like, I'm so happy about that, because I'm just really enjoying laying on the beach and having no cares in the world. Like, highly recommend taking a week-long beach vacation where you don't have to worry about anything. But yeah, so we're gonna go. We're going to some place on the resort property called, I'm totally forgetting it, but I'll put it on the screen in a second when I show you guys clips of us there. But yeah, I'll see you guys at dinner. Here's to the B-Day girl!
Happy birthday, girl.
Woo! Cheers to Mare!
No one bet.
No, I know.
That's yummy.
I don't care what it is, I don't like that. Today's a full day, tomorrow is a full day, and we're about to go on an excursion. We have, we're doing, it's like, kind of like four-wheeling, but it's not. It's called something else. It's like kind of like go-karts. But basically we're going me and Ryan, my mom and Bruce, and Rainey and Hassan, who's like my sister-in-law and her boyfriend. And oh my gosh, this is unreal. We're just vlogging it. But yeah, we're about to go do that. I'm super excited. I'm gonna take you guys along for that because honestly I don't really have any idea what to expect. And here is my outfit. I'm wearing this really cute like velour jumpsuit and this hat that's my sister's, and then just some other shoes. And we're about to go do the excursion.
Okay? So I give him information on how much run this guy. Same
Let's do it.
Bruce, y'all take that newie. We're gonna be in the back. Alright. We'll take this dirty one up here in the front.
Okay, my family, are you ready?
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 Yes, sir.
Yeah, I love you.
Morning. Oh my gosh, I'm so dumb. I didn't have the cap on that. Yummy. Look at this angel. Oh my gosh. Just relax. Just got back from the beach. I am a little sunburned. You can't really see, it's kind of washing me out, but I'm really burnt. But Rainy just came by my room and gave me this to put on, and it's the Hawaiian Tropic Silk Hydration Weightless After Sun Lotion, and she says she swears by it. So I just put this on and it feels really good and it smells really good. And I also wanted to share a few things that I brought on vacation that have been an absolute game changer. First one being this towel wrap. Dries your hair so fast. You get off Amazon. The second one being this silk robe. I got this when I was in my friend's wedding a couple weekends ago, but it's just been so nice to have something light to throw on after you get out of the shower when you're getting ready for dinner. And then, oh, I had one other thing. Okay, yes. And then the last thing is I got this off Amazon right before we left. And it's this makeup mirror. So it's super easy, and you can, like, if you don't have good lighting in your bathroom, you can take this and just like sit on the bed and it lights up like freaking badass. Or you can just, you don't have to light it up if you don't want to. And then it just closes up like this, and you can bring it on vacation. And there's also like a little charging port right here, so you can charge it with just like a, I don't know what those are called, but I think it's like, you know, not the iPhone plug, but those small little plugs. And you can plug it into like your iPhone charger block or whatever. But yeah, we're just gonna get ready for dinner. Tonight is our last night. We had it, since we have such a big group, there's 12 of us, 6 of us have to go to dinner at 6, and then the other 6 we're going at 7. So we're the 7 o'clock group. So we're getting ready right now. It's our last night. There's like a Michael Jackson impersonator show at 9, and we have to get there early to reserve tickets. So I think we're gonna try and do that. But yeah, and then I really wanna get some family pictures before we go to dinner. But we're just gonna enjoy our last night. It's been the perfect trip. I think a week is the perfect length. Oh, and then also yesterday when we were at the beach, in the middle of our derby car racing excursion, they were selling these puka shell necklaces, and I don't know, I just thought they were so cool, and so I got this one. And then I also got this bracelet. It's made of real shells. He was like, my brother made it, and so I don't know, I thought it was really cool.
I think they've improved it.
Oh, thank you.